Hi guys, I am Abhinav and I'm at Guru Kripa Motors in Patiala. I've come here to return the Royal Enfield Meteor that I rode back from Delhi. I'd taken this motorcycle because this dealership belongs to a very good friend of mine, Jaideep. I took it back home to Delhi and I was riding it for over a month, just making videos on this motorcycle. Now, in this particular video, I want to show you something. Because of BS6, you people have been talking about the Meteor not sounding as throaty as the BS4 Royal Enfields, because this is BS6. So take a look at this. This is a huge collector box, the Catcon that is on this motorcycle. So now what we'll do is, in this video we will take this collector box off, we will put a straight pipe on, and then we'll put an exhaust and I will make you hear that sound. Sir, isko nikalenge? So it's actually a very simple thing. If we take this entire thing off, this collector box weighs about 3.4 kilos. So again guys, I'm not asking you to do it, I'm not advising you to do it, I'm just showing you that this is also possible. So I'm not endorsing you guys to take off the collector box of your motorcycle. So this is 3.4 kilos. This is what causes the motorcycle sound to be extremely muffled. So the idea here now is to create a link pipe which extends from here up till here, and where the stock exhaust will be bolted on. In fact, that has already been done. So while this Meteor was with me in Delhi, Jaideep over here, he got the Catcon removed, this ugly thing, collector box, and he created a straight pipe over here. We've already installed that straight pipe onto this motorcycle. So if you'd see, it's a stainless steel straight pipe, and it's not even finished right now because the heat guard, the heat shield on the motorcycle that comes stock, it sort of hides it completely. And then you put the stock exhaust or the optional exhaust, whichever that you want to. Take a look. So the one advantage, even before the sound, the one advantage of doing this is it drops about 3.4 kilos off your motorcycle. Let's start her up. Let's see how it sounds with a straight pipe. We have a different can than the one that was there on the bike. This is an optional can by Royal Enfield for this motorcycle. It sounds a lot nicer now that we've done a cat delete. Let's ride the bike. Let's take a little spin. Let's check this out. The bike is not mine anymore. We have a Guru Kripa Motors keyring on it. I don't like keyrings on any of my motorcycles just because they scratch up the top yoke. Whoa. Easy, brother. It's not too loud. Sounds just right. It's not loud, okay? It's just not loud. In fact, I can't even tell that we've done a cat delete. It's not loud. It's just a little bit louder than the stock bike, because yeah, now I can hear it. When I rev it from low revs, I bring it up, yeah, then you can hear it, but ever so slightly. It's not annoying loud. It's not loud as those typical bullets that you hear around Delhi. The ones that you just cannot stand, it's not like that. In fact, if I had a Meteor, I would have probably done a cat delete. Shit. Ride's nice. Not a lot of difference in performance really that I can tell. Definitely audible like this. But it's not bothersome, you know. Let's let the speed drop and then let's pick it up in fifth only. And then let's hear it. It's definitely not your typical dug-dug, but it is still thumpy. I guess a bike should be at least this loud, if not louder. That's the dealership over there. I'll come from the next red light. So guys, Royal Enfield, you know, it provides you about, I don't know, 7 or 8 combinations of an aftermarket exhaust that you can buy as an official accessory. I don't think there is a difference in terms of sound on these motorcycles. They'll just look different. So for example, you know, this is a black end can. The tip, some of them would have what do you call it, stainless steel, just like that. You know, they'll just have options, slight cosmetic options. So don't think that one of these exhausts is going to sound much different than the other. If at all, it will be minuscule enough for you to not pick up the differences. So this was a little video of Royal Enfield Meteor, how it should sound like. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Abhinav and I'm at Guru Kripa Motors in Patiala. Thank you. Bye bye.